Hola y bienvenidos a Infresp Languages. Today we're going to crack one of the most common mistakes English speakers make when learning Spanish, how to say your age. And we'll sprinkle in some extra number practice by learning how to say the year you were born. If you're still getting comfy with Spanish numbers, check out our videos 2.1 to 2.6 first. They'll help you feel way more confident. And before we jump in, if you like what we're doing here, give this video a like and tap the bell to subscribe. Gracias. All right. In English, we say, I am 28 years old. But in Spanish, that doesn't work. If you say,
Soy 28 años.
people will look at you like, in Spanish, you don't be a certain age, you have it. So instead of saying, I am 28, you say,
Tengo 28 años.
I have 28 years. The Spanish verb tener means to have. Repeat after me. Tener. Again, tener. Perfecto. But here's the deal. Tener is an irregular verb, which means it doesn't follow the usual patterns. Sorry, we didn't make the rules, we're just here to make them fun. Let's break down how to conjugate tener in the present tense. So, we're going to go through tener, to have.
Yo tengo.
I have. Just tengo is fine most of the time. We usually skip the yo unless we're stressing who's speaking.
Tú tienes.
You have. Informal. Say it like this. Tienes. Tienes.
Él tiene, ella tiene, usted tiene.
He, she, or you, formal have. There's only one form here, tiene, an easy win.
Nosotros tenemos.
We have. Tenemos. Say it with a smile. Tenemos.
Vosotros tenéis.
You all have. Used in Spain only, informally. And it sounds like tenéis. Tenéis?
Ellos tienen, ellas tienen, ustedes tienen.
They or you all, formal, have. Tienen. Nice rhythm, right? Let's practice with some real examples. Here's a picture.
Hola, me llamo Lola. Tengo 34 años.
Translation? Hi, my name is Lola. I'm 34 years old. Literally, I have 34 years. Let's focus on the word.
Años.
It has a special N, like an N with a little party hat, that turns it into a ny sound. Say it with me. Años. Muy bien. Now let's figure out when Lola was born.
Nací en 1990.
Nací means I was born. It's in the past tense, but don't worry about that for now. Just repeat after me. Nací. The year. Mil means 1,000. 900 is 900. 90 is 90. Put it all together. 1990 or 1990. 1990. Lola was born in 1990. Here's another.
Esta es Juliana. Tiene 81 años.
This is Juliana. She is 81 years old. Let's break that down. Esto es, this is. Tiene, she has, 81, 81. Notice that uno changes to un before años. Spanish loves little details. Juliana was born in...
Nació en 1943.
That's 1943. 1943. And one more, our youngest star.
Esta es Alma. Tiene 1 año.
She's just 1 year old. So notice we don't add an S to año this time. This is Alma. She is 1 year old. She was born in...
Nació en 2023.
2023. 2000 is 2000 and 23 is 23. So we've covered ages from 1 to 81. That's 3 generations. Now it's your turn. Say your name, your age, and the year you were born in Spanish. Then introduce someone else. Make it up if you want. The goal is to practice numbers and get comfortable with the patterns. Try these. Me llamo. Tengo años. Nací en... Esto es... Tiene años. Nació en... Can you use ages from different generations? Go wild with your imagination. Abuelos, tíos, primos, even your favourite cartoon characters. Next time, we'll dive into the months of the year and learn how to say when your birthday is. Don't miss it. If you found this lesson helpful, give us a like, subscribe to Empress Languages and hit the bell so you never miss a video. Gracias y hasta la próxima.